Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. This is our 2Y reading video for Monday, April 13th. Today we're going to practice our consonant sounds, which are the sounds that our letters here make. And then we're going to practice saying a word that matches the first letter sound and matching that to the picture and making sure that that's the right word. So today we're going to start with our letter finding game. I'm going to either say a letter or the letter sound, and you will find and point to that letter. When you point to it, I want you to shout that letter out, and then you're going to say the sound that that letter makes. All right, so let's start with the letter E. Please find the letter E, point to the letter E, and shout out the sound that that letter makes. Great job. E says eh, eh, eh. Great job. Excellent. Excellent starts with the letter E. Great job, guys. All right. Please find the letter that makes the f sound. F sound. Find that letter. Shout out the name of that letter that says f. Great job. F right here. F says f. Great job. All right. One more. We're going to find the letter G. Please point to the letter G and shout out what the letter G says. Great job. The letter G is right here. G says G, G. Great job. Great starts with the letter G. Great job or good job. G, G. Good starts with the letter G. Great job, guys. We're going to practice writing those 3 letters. So take your pointer finger, your writing finger. We're going to start with the letter E. Okay, we're going to go down, back up, over, over, over. Great job. Practice the letter F. Remember, we always start at the top with our letters. Down, back up, over the top, over the middle. Great job. And the letter G, remember, we always start at the top. Around, up, and over in the middle. Great. So our letters today, we're going to focus on E, F, and G. Great job, guys. E says eh, F says f, G says g, g. Great job, guys. Think for a few minutes, seconds, about some words that start with the letter E, F, and G. As you're thinking, we're going to move over to our board, and I have letters E, F, and G, and some words that start with those letters. So we're going to start with what letter right here? E. Great job. And remind me, what does E say again? Eh, eh, eh. I have 2 words here. I have egg. Please say that for me. Egg starts with the letter E. Egg. I colored eggs yesterday. Egg. E, G, G starts with the letter E. Egg. Great job. And I have the word Elmo. Please say Elmo. Great. Elmo starts with what letter? E. Elmo starts with the letter E, and that says eh, eh. So I have E. 2 words that start with E are egg and Elmo. Great job. I'm going to hop down to my letter F. Great job. And what sound does F make? F. Great job. F. 2 words that start with the letter F are frog. Please shout out the word frog. Great job. Starts with the letter F. Hop on over to this word is friend. Friend starts with the letter F. Friend. Frog. Shout out frog. The frog jumped into the pond. And friend. My friend helped me color eggs. Frog. Friend start with the letter F. Great job. And I have the letter G. What sound does G make? G, G, G. Okay, I have these 2 words down here. I have glue. Please repeat, glue. G-L-U-E, glue. And over here, I have Grace. The name Grace, G-R-A-C-E, Grace. Great job. So the letter G, the letter F, and the letter E. Great job, guys. We're going to hop over to our sentences. I would like you to help me to read these sentences. I have Elmo again because Elmo starts with the letter E. Elmo likes to swim. Try that for me. Point to the words and try reading with me this time. Elmo likes to swim. All right, on your own, please try reading that sentence for me. Great job. Elmo likes to swim. Great job. Remember, what is that called when I'm pointing to each word as I say it? Tracking. Remember, Elmo likes to swim. We want to make sure we're pointing to each word as we're saying it. Great job. Let's hop down to this next sentence. I have frogs. Starts with a letter F. Frogs. Great job. Ready? Frogs like to swim. Read that along with me. Make sure you're pointing to the words. Frogs like to swim. Great job. Try that on your own for me. Great job, guys. Frogs like to swim. All right, we're going to hop down to our last sentence. We have Grace. Starts with a letter G. Great job. Grace likes to swim. Try that with me. Point to each word as we say it. Grace likes to swim. Great job. Try that on your own for me. Great job. Grace likes to swim. So we had the same pattern in each sentence. We know that we have that in our yellow books. So we always look out for the same sentence, the same similar words in each sentence that we also have in our yellow books. So we know our power word like and our power word to. All right, great job, guys, with our sentences and our words that start with E, F, and G. We're going to hop on down to our ARC bookshelf story for today. All right, guys, we are going to read the story. All right, we just learned this word. Who remembers this word? Shout it out if you remember what word starts with the letter F that we learned about today. Frogs. Great job. Frog starts with the letter F. So in our story today, we're going to practice the initial consonant sounds and figuring out the new word in our pattern in our sentences, and then matching it to our picture and seeing if that word is correct. So we have frogs. This is our yellow story. All right, frogs. Some frogs like to eat flies. Some frogs like to eat dragonflies. So I'm picking up the pattern. I know that our pattern is going to be some frogs like to eat, and then this will be our new word. So each time I'm going to come to my new word, I'm going to look at that first letter. I know that first letter is D. Great. And what sound does D make? D. D. Great job. I'm going to say D. D. Dragonflies. Great job. All right, let's try this one. If you know it, please read along with me. Ready? Some frogs like to eat. All right, I have a new word. I know this word starts with the letter B. I know B says B, B, butterflies. And I can look up at my picture and I know that that says butterflies because I have butterflies in my picture. Some frogs like to eat. All right, new word. This word starts with the letter C, and C says K, K, caterpillars. And I'm going to look up and I see that that is a caterpillar. So I know that word is correct. All right, try this one for me. I'm going to give you the pattern. It says some frogs like to eat. Try to figure out what this new word is. Did you say worms? Great job. I looked at this word. I saw that it started with the letter W. I know W makes the W, W, W sound. W, W, worms. And I can look up and I can check that with my word. My picture is worms. All right, try this one too on here. I'll give you the pattern. Some frogs like to eat snails. Did you say snails? Give yourself a woot woot if you said snails. Snails starts with the letter S. I know S says S. So I'm going to say snails. And I'm going to look at my picture and I can check that with my picture. And I know that that says snails. Some frogs like to eat. All right, try that on your own. Figure out what the first letter is. Figure out what that sound is. Try the word and then match it to the picture. Some frogs like to eat, I know that's the letter G, that says g, grasshoppers. And I can check that with my picture, and I know that that is grasshopper. All right, ready? Some frogs like to eat. Try it, figure out what this word might be. Did you say mice? Great, I know that this is the letter M. M says mice. I'm gonna look at my picture, and that word is mice. All right, ready? Some frogs like to eat. All right, I know that's the letter S. I know S says S. I'm gonna look at my picture. I think this says spiders. Remember, if there's an S at the end, make it plural so we also have that S sound, so spiders. All right, try this one all by yourself, the whole sentence. Great job, we have our pattern still. Some frogs like to eat beetles. And I can see that that is a beetle. Great job, guys. Ready? Some frogs like to eat. Shout out the word if you know it. Fish. Great job. It starts with the letter F. F says fish. And I checked that with my picture, and that is the word fish. Some frogs like to eat. We know this word, frogs. Starts with the letter F. F says frogs. All right, and we have our power words in this story. Some. These are both some. We have capital S, some, lowercase s, some. Like to eat. So repeat these words with me. Some, like to eat. Great job. Can you point to the word that starts with the letter T? T. Great job. Did you say right here? This is to. Starts with the letter T. T. To. Can you point to the word some? Point to the word some. Great job. These two words are the word some. This one has a capital S. This one has a lowercase s. Please point to the word eat. Eat. Starts with the letter E. Great job. Right down here. E-A-T says eat. That spells eat. All right, we have one more word. Please find and point to the word like. Great job. Right here. L-I-K-E. So these are our power words for our story today. You guys did a really great job with our initial consonant sounds today. Keep practicing these stories in our bookshelf. And tomorrow we will have a fun video, our workout video for our letter names and sounds. And then we will do a fun activity that you will upload to Class Dojo portfolios. So have a great day, guys.